National Day that we're celebrating.
Celebrating the 50th year has been an extraordinary event here at NLCS. We've had students from all the way from pre-KG up until grade 12 taking part in these initiatives. As part of the Emirati committee, we are hoping to instill these Emirati values more and more within the school environment, whether that be through studies or through extracurricular activities as we are doing here.
I'm a parent of 2 children here at the North London Collegiate School, and I very proudly baked 700 cupcakes for the UAE National Day. This is a very important occasion for us, for our children to be engaged in such a wonderful occasion, especially after what we went through with COVID. So we're truly, truly happy and honoured to be able to do something like this.
All the food and different celebrations we have, the music, the fun, it's really good.
Definitely the food. I think everyone here can agree that the food is one of the best things that we can really appreciate tonight.
Happy National Day! Happy National Day,
Happy National Day, UAE!
It's happy birthday, UAE!
Happy National Day, UAE!